I'm on a whole nother level. Girl, he only fought you over cause you let him. Girl, I guess he didn't know any better. Girl, that man didn't show any ever. Do all I can just...
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Tashina Beauty. If you're new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button because I don't know if you know, girl, but I bring affordable hair, makeup, everything, girl, on a budget. And if you're oldie but a goodie, thank you for rocking with me. Let's get into this video. Now the unit on my head is I don't know. Let's discuss, shall we? Let's get into specifics first. So this is by Sensational and it's part of their Dashly line unit. This unit is the full wig off the Dashly line because I believe there's 3 lines of the Dashly unit. I'm not sure, but I know there is a lace front line. And this is unit 6, color 1B. Stock card looks like this. Construction of the wig. So the wig has 2 combs in the front, a comb in the back, and an adjustable strap. This is a full wig. That means there's no lace to be cut off, there is no parting or anything like that. It's just a full wig, kind of like a cap. You just throw it on your head and go. No, I did not use the combs because if you are new to my channel, welcome, thank you for joining us, but I do not use comb in my wigs because I don't want to. I just don't want to, and I don't want to lose my edges, so I don't use combs. So I be not using combs currently. So I did not use the combs in this unit. I just put it on my head and this is it. I did not adjust the straps or anything, and it feels pretty secure. I mean, it could be tighter, so I would say yes, this wig is big head friendly. Let's talk about what I like about the unit. I like the fact that it is a bang unit. I like the fact that it is natural hair textured unit. I like a lot of stuff about this unit. Shedding. I did not receive much shedding from this unit. It was very minimal shedding, and that says a lot because I clipped the front of the bangs a little bit because I just had some loose hair. I did not receive any tangling from this unit, and you will eventually get tangling because this is a synthetic unit. Probably won't be as much as some because it's not as long as others, but you will receive some form of tangling. So far I have not received any tangling whatsoever, and very minimal shedding for what a synthetic unit would bring. Okay, let's talk about things that I am not so sure about this unit. With this unit, now I love straight hair and I love bangs. Everyone who is used to me know that I like bangs because I like to cover my forehead, though I don't have a big forehead, but I kind of like that effect looking. This hair is super full. I mean, very full. Like, this is what it looks like to the front full. So it looks very not flat. And the girl on the stock card, hers isn't flat either, so I don't know what I was expecting, but I like it. For some odd reason, it is kind of like throwing me off, and in an interesting way. Like, I find it very appealing for me in person. I don't know why, but I like it, even though I think in a way it kind of look crazy because it's so, I don't know, but I still like it. Now it says it is heat safe up to 350 to 4. I don't do that. This, I don't be messing with heats like that, but if you want to, you can try it for yourself. I think if I can flatten it out, I don't know if I want to try a flat iron or not, but if I flatten it out, I think I will even love it even more because I can get the humpy feeling and not so, I mean, I get what the effect is. Like, if you have natural hair and you blow it out and you don't put a flat iron through it, you get this kind of poofiness looking, but I would like it to be a little bit more flat, and I didn't get that. So that's nothing to do with them, that's just my personal preference, but in a sense I kind of like what it looks like. I don't know, I feel like, you know what I want to try with this wig? I would like to put it up, then put a headband on and like kind of stop it right here, so I have the bangs in the front and kind of like that high top up here with the little flurry going dropping down. I think that would look cool, or even a pinned back ponytail with a headband. I just think there's like a few things I can do with this unit, so I'm not mad at it. And for the price that I paid for it, it's pretty affordable. So let me show you what the wig look like from all different angles. So obviously this is what all the wig to the front looks like. As I said before, it is pretty full. Sorry, as I adjust my hoops that are getting in the way. So this is what the wig look like from the left side. Let's see what all the wig from the left side looks like. This is what all the wig to the right side looks like. And this is what all the wig in the back looks like. I don't know if you could see that or not, but to me, it's a nice unit. There's not really much bad that I can say about it, honestly. I just feel like for the price point, I think it's a great unit. And I think it's a very easy throw on unit. Like, it's a full unit, so again, you don't got to do much more than throw it on in your head and go. I think the most problem you will have is adjusting these bangs, because as you know, with bangs on any unit, they're not gonna be staying in one set place. You're gonna have to, like, even if you cut a perfect bang, you're still gonna have like some falling where it wasn't before. So that's a whole situation that you gotta work out. But I like her. I think she's nice. I would definitely give this a thumbs up, and I will definitely be keeping this one. I don't know, I know it kind of looks a bit big, but oh girl, I think she cute on me. What do you think? I think she's cute. What do you think? Leave me a comment down in the comment section below. Let me know if you like this unit. Let me know if anyone has tried this unit, and if you've tried it in different colors. There's a bunch of different colors on the back right here. I really like this T227. I think that's a really cute color right here. Yeah, that right there. That color is really nice. Let me know what you guys think of this unit. I will leave a link down in the description box on where to purchase this unit. I'll leave a couple links to companies that are selling this unit. If you're interested in purchasing her, then as I said before, the price point is, I think, below 15. I'm pretty sure, if not around that price point. So very affordable. Something that you can try and not feel like you wasted your money completely. If you do like natural hair with a little oomph to it, then you will definitely like this unit. Yeah, I think that's about it. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram. It's Tashina_Beauty. But if you cannot remember that, I will have it listed down in the description box, or you can click on my banner because it's in my banner. And if you don't mind, you can also follow me on Facebook. It's Tashina Beauty 22. Can't remember that either. Banner and description box. And if you made it to the end of this video, thank you for rocking with me and joining the family. Don't forget to share this video, like, comment, and subscribe, and turn on your notification bell so you can get notified every time I do upload. Do not have a set schedule. Do not come for me. I am still a work in progress. 2020 just ended. We are now 2021. We ain't in the judging field. Listen, it's been a rough year. We trying to do better, so you don't be judging me, okay? And I think that's about it. And thank you guys for rocking with me. Again, this is your Tashina Beauty, and until next time, bye.